external sandwich filtration is designed to automatically maintain the quality of deionized water. This system is highly recommended for cleaning flux residues from PCBs after soldering, where ionic cleanliness of the board is critical for the future functionality of the device. The conductivity sensor in the DI water tank monitors the conductivity values in real time and activates the filtration when required. Once the filtration is active, the contaminated DI water starts circulating from the cleaning system's DI water tank throughout the filtration and back to the tank. The water flows through active carbon and Ionex bags, which secures removing all organic and ionic particles and decreases the conductivity levels. The external sandwich filtration and its electrical pump are set up on a trolley with casters for easy and safe manipulation. Thanks to the unique DCT sandwich design, active carbon and Ionex come in bags that are easy and quick to replace without using any tools.